we are going to make a wonderful art using something you can find in the kitchen. Can you guess what it is? Yes, you guessed it! We're gonna use potatoes. So let me show you what we need. The first thing we will need is a potato, some paint, a paper plate to put the paint in, a knife, and some cookie cutters. And since we are using a knife, I'm gonna ask you to have a grown-up helper come to help you with the cutting. And last but not least, we need some papers to stamp on. Alright, these are all the materials that we will need. Now let's begin. For this step, please go ask a grown-up to come and help. We are going to get our potato and cut it in half. Now we have 2 circles. You can totally use this as a stamp, as a circle shape, but we're gonna do more shapes with it. So I'm gonna take this first half and cut it again in 2 halves or 2 parts. Now I have half a circle, and this other half circle, I'm gonna do some lines in it. For the second part of the potato, or for the second half that we have, I'm gonna also split it into 2 parts and use the cookie cutters to create some more shapes. So since my cookie cutters are small, I can fit 2 in this, and all I have to do is to press the cookie cutter into the potato, and then while the cookie cutter is inside, I'm gonna get my knife and cut all around it to get rid of all this extra part, and then I will remove it, and last but not least, I will pull the cookie cutter out. So what I need is to have that stamping part, or the shape that I have, to be a little bit raised from the rest of the potato piece that I have, so that when I stamp, the color will get onto that part and it can stamp easily. What kind of shapes would you like to make? So these are the shapes that I made. I have half a circle with some lines, a flower, a car, and a small cute pear. Alright, well now comes the fun part. We're going to start painting. So dip the stamp in the paint, but don't dip too much because we don't want to carry too much of the paint. It's gonna end up getting messy on the paper if we do. So we're just gonna need enough to cover the shape that we have. Ready? Let's stamp. Press down and press really good. And then lift it up. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that cool? Well, now stamp away. You can make as many patterns as you want. You can do flowers, moons, stars, whatever you like. You can use these to make cards for your friends, gift wrapping papers, or painting for your room, or decorate your journals. It's really up to you. Also, you can get fabric paints and then stamp on fabric like a t-shirt, tote bag, or any piece of fabric that you have and you would like to decorate. So you have a lot of options to do with this. For now, I'm gonna do a few pieces on paper, like cards, bookmarks, and a painting for my room, and I will see you when I'm done. You can mix colors, try new shapes, and make your own masterpieces. Alright, well look at all of these amazing potato art that we made today. Thank you so much for creating with me today. Until the next video, keep stamping, crafting, and making amazing art. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!